Welcome back. My name is Joe Lurie, and thanks for continuing to join us on our mission to help you with your Zero Trust journey. Our focus right now is on application management, and specifically how you can use Intune to deploy your line of business, or LOB, apps. Deploying line of business apps through Intune ensures that only trusted and validated internal applications are delivered securely, a key pillar of Zero Trust. Using the LOB app type when deploying apps in Intune really allows you to customize and tailor that application for your organization's needs. Let's look at how we can use Intune to securely deploy these apps. On Windows devices, LOB apps can use installation files like MSI, AppX, MSIX, MSIX bundles, so your in-house developers have lots of options. These in-house custom apps have traditionally been deployed through Configuration Manager or even Group Policy. We see that even on a co-managed device, Win32 and other app types are being deployed in Intune, while the in-house developed apps are still being deployed the legacy ways. Because LOB apps are typically developed in-house, we can use that LOB app type in Intune, and this is a great way to deploy LOB apps into the managed devices. And just because they're built internally does not necessarily mean that they're safe, secure, and trusted. These apps can still be a security blind spot if they're left unmanaged. So how can we minimize that risk? By code signing the LOB app, you're ensuring the integrity of the app even before deployment. In closing, are you still deploying your custom apps through Configuration Manager or Group Policy? Here's your call to action. Migrate these custom built-in apps to Intune and have better control over who's using the app, and ensure it can only be used on a trusted, compliant device.